Morning children, how you all? Hope you all fine, ma. Okay. In the previous class, we completed first chapter. In the previous classes, we completed first chapter. Now I'm going to start second chapter. That is about addition and subtraction of money. In addition and subtraction of numbers. Okay, see that. Second one, addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. First one, recall exercise. And in the previous classes, you learned about that first one, what is meant by addition. Okay. If we add two numbers, 2 plus 3, add means put together. Add means put together by combining them. If we add 2 plus 3, we will get 5. Here 2 and 2 is called add and 1. And 3 is called add and 2. And the answer or the resulting number in the addition is called sum. The answer or the resulting number in addition is called sum. If we add 0 to any number, 5 plus 0 equal to 5. If you add any number with a 0, you will get the same number. Okay? If you add 1 to the given number, you will get the next after number or the successor of that number. Okay? Now, I am going to start the recall exercise regarding to the addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay? See the recall exercise, children. Recall exercise. See the first one. Add 348 plus 276. Children, look at the board, ma. Listen. Recall exercise. In that recall exercise, see the first sum in that. 8 plus 6, 14, right? 4 here and 1, 10's place 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12, right? 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. See the second one in that. 457 plus 189. 189. How you will add these, ma? 7 plus 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Here, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 plus 2, 6. 646. See the third one, children. 568 plus 274. 8 plus 4, 12. 7 plus 7, 14. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. See the fourth one, Amma? These are all the recall exercise. You can find it in the textbook also. Okay? 298 plus 347. 7 plus 8, 15. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. See the next one, children. 467 plus 273. 7 plus 3, 10. Next, 7 plus 7, 14. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. See the next one, children. Sixth one, 389 plus 236. Already in the previous classes you learned how to do the addition. Okay, that's why I am saying you directly. If you find any type of difficulty in doing addition, start in your home from 2-digit numbers. Okay, 9 plus 6, 15. 15. Right, 5 here and 1 up. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 3 12. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. Okay. See the seventh one, that here they given three numbers: 556, 297, 130. See, 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 6 16. Here 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 9 15. 15 plus 3 18. Right one here. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. See the eighth one, children. 266, 196, 386. 6. 3 times they given 6 na? Yes, 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 6 18. Right, 8 here and 1 here. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 9. See, what is 7 plus 9? 16. 16 plus 8 24. Right to here. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. Okay, see the ninth one. One hundred and 98, 176. See here, 8 plus 8, 8 to 16, na? 16 plus 6, 22, right? 2 here and 2 here. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, right? 2 here, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. See the 10th one, children? 567, 48, 289. See here, 8 plus 7, 7 plus 8, 15. Okay, 15 plus 9. What is 15 plus 9? 24. Right, 4 here and 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Right, 0 here and 2 here. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2. 9. $567, 239, 89. 7 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9. 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 9. Or else you can find like this: 9 2 times 10, 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Right, 5 here and 2 here. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. Next, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. See the 12th one here. 386, 309, 99. Plus. Next. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Right, 2 here and 4 here and 2 here. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 794. Children, next this one is about 3-digit number addition. This one you learned in the previous class. Okay, in the second class you learned about the addition of numbers. Up to 3 digits you learned. Now I am going to start the exercise about the addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay. Do it your own. Okay. Don't copy. Do it your own. You know additions very well. So do it your own. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. With regrouping, without regrouping they given. First one in exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. See the first one, add Here without regrouping they given. It's easy to do to you. What is 6 plus 2? 8. 4 plus 3? 7. 2 plus 3? 5. 3 plus 2? 5. Completed. See the second one. Six plus 0, 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 1, 3. See the third one. 9 plus 0, 9, 3 plus 5, 8, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. Nine plus 0, 9, 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 1, 8 after 9. Okay. See the fifth one, ma. See that 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. See the sixth one, children. 3, 2, 0, 4 plus 3, 2, 0, 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6. See the seventh one. 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 plus 3, 6, 6. Eighth one. 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Ninth one. 6 plus 0, 6, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 3, 5. See the 10th one, children. 6, 3, 0, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 33. 561 and 33. Here they given 4 digit, 3 digit and okay, I think they can't see that. Wait, children. Again I will repeat you. 2, 5, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, 0. 6 plus 0, 6, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 3, 5. 10th one. 6,304, 561, 33. See here. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 6, 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 5, 8, 6. Ace. Eleventh one. 5,208, 651, 130. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 5. See the 12th one, children. 5,133. 5,133 plus 2,344 plus 21. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. See the 13th children. 5,215, 326, 1,420. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Next. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Next 5 plus 1, 6. See the 14th one, children. 1234, 321, 6222. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. See the 15th one, ma. 2345, 5432, 1111. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Children, in the already I told you total 20 sums are there. I completed 15. Try the next 5 sums. Okay, like this model. Try the next 5 sums, children. In the next class I will continue the next sums. Till then, goodbye.